morning, guys. It is November 5th, 2021. This is I got a call for a gas furnace not working. I don't believe I've ever worked with this guy before, so it says it don't ignite. So we're gonna go over there. He said it is a furnace. I usually try to confirm that whether it's a boiler or a furnace with the people. A furnace has no water in it. A boiler will have water in it with radiators. That's the difference. So you could have a gas furnace or an oil-fired furnace. There's no water in it. It just blows hot air. Most people don't know the difference. Some people do, not everybody. Miss Molly, you're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. You got your double coat on today, Miss Molly. Nice and warm. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Thermal zone 80 plus. He's got it off here and he's got it off upstairs, so he's gonna turn it on. We're gonna open it up. Not could be a bird in there or something. Hear it?
I hear that, yeah.
It's not good. It's trying to start and nothing's gonna run if that don't run.
Yeah.
Sounds like there might be something stuck in there. I wouldn't doubt it. Holy shit.
That would be my luck.
I worked for you before. Where did I work for you before?
I used to live.
Oh, with the old lady. I remember that. Yeah, so you bought your house. Good for you.
Unfortunately, I bought my house as she passed away.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's when I bought my.
Yep, look what we got there. We got some bird activity happening in there.
Holy shit. Well, I can see the tail, so that can't be good.
Nothing like a little tail. Plug me in.
Holy shit. No plug on the... Alright.
Oh, the old lady died.
Yeah, unfortunately, how she died was hypothermia.
How did that happen?
Her boiler, she had the heat on, but something happened with the boiler where it didn't come on.
Why didn't she call?
Well, I was still working nights at the time, and her daughters unfortunately live in New Hampshire in Upper Mass.
Oh man, it's a little blackbird. Ain't that a bitch?
I've never seen that.
I mean, that's an easy one. That's what all it was. Oh, a bitch, huh? Oh. Alright, let's see if it works now. Never a dull moment, I will say. Oh, might have more fellas in there. Oh, might have tripped the breaker. Off again. We're gonna see if we can. Might be more stuff in there. Let me see if I can spin the fan.
All right, there's currently no breaker in the
Well, the fan, it might have fried the fan because it's freewheeling.
Yeah.
But just fucking burn it, you know, how long do you have it on for?
Well, it was only 2 minutes and then I shut it off.
Okay, let's see, maybe. See if it'll start now. I got it, it's free.
Yeah.
There it goes. Bitch, huh? I want to put some oil in that baby.
The burners too, that they weren't really blue. It was like a little bit of mostly orange.
Some oil on that thing. It's a little squealer, huh? some oil. I mean, it's running.
I don't know if I should just spend the money and just replace that motor. It's no my luck a crap out.
It might be the fan motor down below that's making the noise.
Huh.
Just go turn it on. Can you got your fan switch upstairs or just fan or what do you got?
I got it in auto and it's set at 68.
You got it so you can run just the fan?
Well, it comes on automatically. When the heat kicks on, it comes on automatically.
So you have a heating cooling thermostat?
I can switch it to on if you want. Yeah.
Shut the heat off and put the fan on. Let's see if it's the fan. Let's see if it's the fan or this. Oh, it's definitely that motor. It's definitely that motor that's making the whining noise. It's not the fan. I wonder if I could oil on the inside there. Maybe. Maybe some oil in there. You know?
Yeah.
Go turn it on again. Obviously, you know, that oil's not the greatest thing for it, but I'm trying to get you a little bit more time out of it. It's definitely that fan motor. Turn it back on heat?
Yep.
Okay. I mean, it's not crazy whistling, but nevertheless, I mean, thermal zone, I think that's like a... Not running. Well, I gotta call into the guy. I can't do it today anyway, so.
No, I understand that.
Flipping blackbird.
I got
There's another fucking bird in there. No wonder why it was running shitty.
Oh my goodness gracious.
That's two. Son of a bitch.
I better play the lottery tonight.
He's stinking in there.
He's fermenting.
Holy shit. That's why it's making that noise. I don't know if I can get him out. That's another fucker.
Holy.
Yeah, take this out. Watch it, it might be a little hot.
Yeah, it's not too bad right now.
Oh, he's stinking.
Ah, right in the rag. Or was that the leftover of them?
I don't know.
Might have been a leftover of them.
Fucking stinking. Woohoo! Give me the smoke pipe back.
All right, come on.
Holy shit! You smell it?
Can't smell it right now.
Holy shit! Stinking.
Oh, now I smell it. Woo!
Let's try it again. That's better.
Definitely is better.
That's better.
Way better, huh?
Wow.
Still
So that was 1.5 birds that were in there.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I don't know if there's any more. I don't think so. Boy, you know what to do next time? Shut the power off, take it apart and look in there.
Look in there first, yeah.
Because if there's birds in there...
Yeah, I'll definitely fry that even more.
Yeah, the blower sounds fine now, guys. So there must have been an extra wing in there.
Not a buffalo wing, or a chicken wing, a blackbird wing. Oh,
Holy shit, that was stinking.
Oh my god. R.I.P.
That might have been part of his wing.
Yeah, probably that's what it was. It was just wedged in it just enough.
Everything. I'm gonna check it on the way out. Remove bird plus parts from exhaust fan motor. I'm gonna check the carbon monoxide in the vents upstairs.
All right.
On the way out.
All right, no problem.
Let's check it right now.
Okay.
We'll see if we got any CO in the vents. They'll tell us if how a heat exchanger is doing. Zero, so that's good. That's what we want.
Yeah, I don't want to breathe in CO2, that's for sure. Like I said,
She's a stinker. You gonna get rid of the bird?
I'll get rid of the victim.
Wow, that's something.